So I have my watch list for today pre-market. Right now it's 8:45. I have this four stocks. First one, BATL. I have from yesterday. It was up pre-market, but right now it's kind of moving around the VWAP, actually above the VWAP, around 624. But if you go to the daily, has like a strong resistance level at 746. So I'm not gonna trade, but I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Next one, ONCO. So it has the news in the morning. It's 4 in the morning. It was up from 330 basically for $7. Then it actually lost. Right now it's below VWAP around $5. So the resistance level is 583. So I'm not gonna trade right now too. I will wait for the market open and see if it's gonna pick up the volume over here. Okay, the next one, Airbnb. Also, it was a couple days before. It was up Wednesday from $1 basically for 250, and since when it was moving. Yesterday it lost actually a little bit. So right now it's around the VWAP and highs was 298. I'm not gonna trade right now. I'm gonna keep an eye on it because it needs more volume over here. Also, it needs above the VWAP, and also it has a 282 level of resistance. I'm gonna wait when it clears the $3 probably. Yeah. The next one is ARTL. It has crazy move in the morning. 8:13 it starts moving. Right now it's like it was 9:40. If you go to the 50 seconds right here, it actually keeps the 9 moving average, 9 and 20. This is very spready and moves a lot. In the morning was very good volume. Right now it's kind of light, but I'm not gonna trade it because it's moving too quickly and very choppy. So I'm gonna wait when market opens. I'm gonna put in a 5 minutes. Over here on the pre-market, I have all the stocks up in the morning. This one on my watch list. The first three on my watch list. This one penny stocks. Today not much a lot of penny stocks, so this one is very choppy. I'm not gonna trade this one. Also, it's close to the $1. It's on my watch list. This one is too cheap. Also, the volume is very light. This one is very light volume over here, so it's not moving much, around $20. I don't know about this stock, but it has very light volume. BATL, this is on my watch list too, but right now it's moving side, also very light volume. This one's too expensive. This one is too cheap, also no volume. This one has a very light volume. I'm not gonna trade it. Also, it's not doing much. So I'm not gonna do this one. This one has a good price, but right now it's moving side. Also has very light volume. So it's 9 o'clock at 10 minutes in the morning. I think I wanna pick up this ARTL. If you pay attention to the level 2, it's kind of a little bit spready. Also, we have big sudden 850. I think it needs a little bit more volume over here. So it's gonna go up. So I have the stock from my watch list and see I wanted to take a trade at 530, but on a level 2 it has a big seller around 534. So basically it's the resistance level at 544, 535, 536. Yeah, big seller at 534. So I probably should wait when this level clears out and it's probably gonna go up. Also, I have this stock on my watch list, VCE. I have it from yesterday. Yesterday was around 60 cents and it went all the way after market closed $2.13. So if you paid attention for level 2, it's kinda not bad. It's has like 2 cents of spread. Also, it has a very low float. Right now it's 11 million of volume. But what I noticed is if you go to the 1 minute, I saw it in the morning, like 1 hour ago. Look at it. At 8:30, it was 170, and it's kind of dropped to 78 cents. But the next like 5 minutes, this each candle is like a 1 minute. So basically, in 5-6 minutes, it went from 78 cents. It went all the way 36. It's like how it's even possible. I don't know why, how it's drop and pick up this. I don't know. It's kinda very choppy. In my opinion, if it's stuck doing this moves, I don't think I'm gonna trade it. Probably gonna wait till markets open. Okay, it's 9:30. The market is open. I'm watching this ONCO stock. Okay, I think I'm gonna late. I am late for the pickup. If it's go to the 5 minute, the pre-market, it was $7. So I'm gonna wait till market settles. Look at the moves. 50 seconds. It was 672, and it dropped all the way 560. So that's why I say I'm gonna wait this market clears, because this crazy move is basically dollar. It drops $1. Right now it's on hold. I assume it's gonna be 5 minute hold. And as you can see, it's a lot of sellers over here. Okay, let's go back to ARTL. Okay, right now ARTL also on hold. It went up from 750 all the way till 950, and the opposite. The other was stock is dropped. This one has actually went up. This is also spready. I have another TSA, so it's going crazy moves too. Look at the 50 seconds. It was 190 all the way to 60. Very low float, 35 million of volume, and level 2 looks okay. 1-2 cents of spread. Maybe I should pick up this one. It's kind of a lot of sellers over here. If you see on the volume, maybe I should wait this 20 moving average. So I put the buy order at 239, 500 shares. So 500 shares, so it makes 1000 shares total. And I sold my old position at 230 level. I don't know, I saw the big sellers at 240. It's also the volume very light. So right now I'm up $30. So right now stock is moving kinda side around 220 level. Also its MACD is crossed down, and over here is no volume. Maybe it's more volume to go up and clear this 260 level. We have big seller at 237. RTL is on hold right now. It's actually moved 991. Wow. Next resistance level is 1118. The volumes looks good. I think it's kinda late to jump in. Also, it was twice on hold over here. So let's see what's moving also. This is on hold. This one's penny stocks. This is moving around to 20 to 25. This one was open 137. Right now it's around 160, 165. Maybe I should put it on a watch list. Okay, this one is kinda losing. It was on my watch list. This one's too expensive. This was on my watch list, but it's kinda dropped below the VWAP. Right now it's kinda around the VWAP and it's a little bit choppy. I keep an eye on it. This stocks has no volume. Okay. Let's go back to ARTL. It's open. Wow, look at it. It's 1138. 1172. Wow. So it's made another crazy move. Right now it's on hold. Next resistance level is $13 right here. Wow. So VSA. Okay, this one is choppy. Look at it. So if you put in 30 seconds, I made this trend line, two trend lines. This one is, I made it over here when it was two. When this candle closed, I made this trend line. And look at this. This one is resistant level, and this one is support. And what interesting, this actually keep moving with this trend line. It almost hit this level and dropped, and then one almost went down with this level, and it's kind of choppy. Look at this. I think I'm gonna wait this 200 moving average on 30 seconds. So I bought the 500 position at 260. I sold half of it at 275. So I sold the rest of the position at 269. So right now I'm up about $90. Now it's dropping. I put this level because it was previous high. So I put this like support level, but it's actually broke this level and went all the way to 36. We got 270, big sell at 270. So let's see what's gonna happen. So let's go to the market and see what's moving. ARTL right now on hold again. It's the penny stocks. This one I trade right now. VSA. Another stock is popping, but it's around $2. The volume is very light, 1.8 million. So just keep an eye on it. ONCO. It was holded once, I believe, over here around 940. But right now it's lost the VWAP and actually moving down. So just keep an eye on it. This one's too expensive. It's made a good move, but I'm not gonna trade that one. NXTT. This one is popping up right now as we watch. The volume is very light, 1 million as volume. It was open around 140. Right now it's $2, around $2. If you go to the daily, so basically 1 hour daily, as an next resistance level around 280, 375. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on my watch list. Okay, next one is this It made move yesterday too, but it was choppy. It was up pre-market, got 280 level, and it's dropped to 250. Now it's moving side. Very light volume. I'm not gonna trade it. This one is moving down. This is very light volume. Okay, basically nothing much is going on. Back to VSA. It starts moving up. So we have a big seller around 270. The stock, if it got the volume, look at it. Over here, over here. So if it picks up small volume, it's gonna go up and actually break this level, 290. And also MACD is crossed down. I bought another at 262. So I bought another 250 position and sold it the 264. So I still have 250. So it's going up to 74. We got big sellers at 290. Okay, I sold the rest of the position at 260, I believe. So I don't know, it's not picking up the volume over here. You see, it's like a more sellers. My account is up 122. So right now it's 10:40 in the morning. I took 3 trades. I think I'm gonna call it a day. So it's nothing much for me to trade. A little bit too choppy, and it's kind of not the time I usually wanna be in trade. So if you go to the market, it's nothing much is going on. So for this week, my account is closed for $5,142. So that's it for today. I will see you in the morning.